Hi all, I am Sandeep Patil from Biomedicon Services India Private Limited based in Mumbai. We are the authorized distributor for the Zoll Medical Corporation USA since 2010. Here I will be talking about the product called AED Plus. AED, Automated External Defibrillator. In the name itself, it tells the use of this machine. Automated, it's fully automatic machine. External, you are attaching the pads externally. Defibrillator, fibrillation is the abnormality of the heart. To correct it, it is a defibrillator. AED Plus is US FDA and CE approved. This is how looks the machine. When you open the cover, you will get a complete pictorial view. As I told you, it's a FDA CE approved and we have installed more than 3000 AED Plus in India. And in the worldwide, there are the lakhs of installations of AED Plus. Here, the on-off button is there. Green check mark. Green check mark means your machine is ready to use. Here you can attach the cable of the patient pad, LCD display, and here is the shock button. The important feature of the AED Plus is the real CPR help. Machine will guide you whether your compressions are proper or not, because you know in every case the patient will not require a shock, but in every case there is a requirement of a CPR. If your CPR is not proper, then there is no use of the treatment. This machine will tell you whether your CPR is proper or not. If it is not proper, it will tell you push harder, push harder. Again, if your compressions are proper, then the machine will tell you good compressions. This pictorial view will help you step by step what to do in the next step. If you see any patient collapses, then machine will tell you to ask the response, check the pulse and check the breathing. Next step is to call to the ambulance or your emergency number. Next step is to attach the pads. Again, when analysis is going on, machine will tell you to stay away from the patient. Again, after analysis, there are two options. Machine may tell you to go for a compression and machine will tell you to go for a shock. After a shock, if the patient is not revived, then there is again the 2 minutes of CPR. After 2 minutes, again machine will stop and will tell you to stay away from the machine. Next analysis is going on. This will keep continue till you shift to the patient to the hospital or any emergency team will arrive to see the patient. AED Plus, again as I told you, there are lakhs of installations. There are some features like low cost of ownerships. Once you install the machine, there is no expenses till the 5 years if you are not use the pad. Pad's shelf life is 5 years. The battery shelf life is also 5 years or 225 shocks. Again, the machines has a warranty of 5 years. Once you install the machine, then there is no expenses for next 5 years. For a proper management of AED, there is a software called Plus Track. It will help you that your machine should always be in a proper working condition. Again, you have an option of a fully automatic AED machine, semi-automatic as well as the fully automatic. The difference is only between the two. This thing is the press of a shock button. In fully automatic, you don't have to press a shock button. In semi-automatic, you will have to press the shock button. This is the details of AED Plus. For any information or any further queries, you please call us on our landline number which is available on the Google, or also you can write us an email. Thanks a lot.